Hello, and it's me. Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day today. If you are just now on my channel, welcome, hello. My name's Amanda. I've been vegan for over 4 years now, kind of wild. This is not my normal kitchen, first of all. I am visiting my family in Phoenix. For this morning, I'm gonna be making a tofu scramble. If you hear noise in the back, it's because this is a small home and there's gonna be a lot of people around me. So I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients. We have the tofu block right there, but this is just extra firm tofu, and I had this in a paper towel overnight. You don't have to do this. You could just have it pushed down on a cast iron with paper towels for like about, I don't know, like 10 minutes. You should be Gucci. And then right here I have some mushrooms, some cherry tomatoes, spinach, cilantro, an onion. We definitely need an onion. And then I got some avocado for later. As my side dish, I have some quinoa that we cooked about like 2 days ago, and in it I just added some garlic salt, some pepper, and some parsley. It just looks really good. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw everything in a skillet and hopefully everything comes together. These are the spices I will be adding into my tofu scramble. Garlic powder, paprika, turmeric, red chili pepper, and coriander. And then I'll also probably be adding some pepper and garlic salt. All right, let's get cooking. Time to finally eat. It's also super hot in here. I don't know how I did this with my hair down. This is probably like one of the easiest breakfasts you can make if you have the time to cook. It really does not take much, you know, skill. You just throw things on a skillet and hope it turns out. Also, this is the best hot sauce of all time. Not sponsored, but I wish it was. Kind of just like drown it all over my food. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Also, highly recommend the avocado and the cilantro on top. But literally, I made this for my mom, who isn't even vegan, and my aunt, and they loved it. So if you have family members that aren't vegan, but you like want them to try some of your food, make them tofu scramble. You'd be surprised. All right, cool. I'm gonna finish this, and I'll get back with you at lunch. Hello, I'm back and fresher than ever. I'm currently in my bathroom, if it was not obvious. Do you guys see the toilet? It's been 5 hours since my breakfast. I went to the gym, I showered. Side note, I don't go to the gym very often. It's been like a month since I've been, so today was really, really rough. I was dying after 15 minutes of cardio. I'm so hungry right now. My mom was such a sweetheart. She like cut up some mango for me, so I'm going to snack on this right now as I do my makeup and get ready. I think it's like 4:30 right now. So I'm gonna get ready, and then hopefully I can like, you know, make my dinner later, or my dinner if it's not really dinner time yet. This is what happens when you wake up late in the day and then have your breakfast at noon. You kind of just end up skipping like lunch or dinner, or combine it into dinner, and that's me. So, wow, I look like such a child. Can you believe I'm 22? Oh, okay. Well, bye. That's the update. All right, you guys, I am done getting ready, and now it's time to make. It's 5:30, so dinner? I decided I wanted something with like protein and carbs so I can like fuel my body after working out. So I decided I'm gonna do a marinara pesto pasta with this vegan chicken that I got. I feel like I've tried it before, but I don't remember how it tastes, so we're just gonna see and try it out. So I already have the water boiling. I try to go for like non-gluten pasta because it just digests better and I feel better afterwards. So I'm gonna eat this brown rice pasta. Everything I got from Trader Joe's to make it easier for you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and make this pasta. The water is going wild. It's wilding out right now. Look at that. I feel like this is such a small pot. Oh god. Kind of half the bag. Okay, there we go. Small pot, but we're gonna make it work. I'm going to just saute some onions and mushrooms. Then I'm going to add my marinara sauce and some pesto and the chicken. And then by the time the sauce is like all ready to go, I'm gonna throw that pasta in there. I don't even think this is olive oil. I think it's like canola. If I were you, use olive oil. I mean, I didn't record me chopping this because you guys already saw me chop this morning and it's not very exciting, but I used 1/4 of an onion and a few mushrooms, like a handful, you know, whatever works. Oh my god, my pasta. Okay, you know what? No problem. If that happens, just lower the heat down just a tad. Make sure to stir a bit. Awesome, so much better. All right. Stir that around, get it well coated. I'm gonna add a bit more oil. I get stingy sometimes. These look so good. Yes, baby. Should I use all of them? I'm gonna use all of them. I'll just leave them thick. Okay. I'm gonna throw this in. In goes the fake chicken. This is the part where I'm gonna make everything silent and I'm gonna add music. Starting now. How do you like the pasta? This is my little sister Evelyn. She's young. Again with the hot sauce. It's my thing. What can I say? ¿Te gusta, mami?
Riquísima.
This chicken's honestly pretty bomb. If you want like to eat fake meat in your life. The texture is very similar to chicken, I think. Wow, I'm sweating from how good it is. So I just wanted to mention this really quick. The meat I added into my pasta, I looked at it, and 3 tenders, like those strips I showed you, they're only 100 calories and they have 15 grams of protein and 1.5 grams of fat. Just saying, people say fake meat's like not the healthiest for you, but I feel like this is like an okay, you know, alternative to meat. If you guys are looking for something with like no saturated fat and a lot of protein. So there you go. The little nutrition in me had to say that. If they don't have vegan options, I may cry. Where's she at though? I mean, Ben & Jerry's has a vegan one, but there's also a lot of vegan brands. Yes. Okay. Now what do I choose? That's the question. This is super hard. Peanut butter chocolate fudge, that one's really good. Okay guys, I said I was going to be healthy, so I'm gonna do a halo top one because I could eat an entire pint and I can't feel bad about myself. So I'm gonna do, I think this one. Aw yeah. Hi mommy! Hi! Okay guys, so I'm gonna try this Halo Top oatmeal cookie ice cream. The entire pint is 280 calories, so this is still a healthy what I eat in a day. You could taste there's pieces of coconut, not coconut, of the oatmeal in there, yeah. That's good. Oh yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna play a movie, you know, enjoy my summer break. That was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day. It was kind of sporadic, it was all over the place, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more of these types of videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you guys don't mind seeing my face again. But yeah, that was it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!